Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid studio, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with an explication request. This is a Kaplan QID 1558046. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it as a paid supplement. With my Guru 15 discount code at checkout, you can get over 3,600 questions, performance opportunities, with a performance tracker. Far and away, the Kaplan Q Bank is best in class. For that commercial, Kaplan allows me to give you free look at Kaplan content like this. All right, let's look at this explication request. I'll help you with any question from any vendor. If you have an explication request, send it to explicationrequest@guruexamprep.com. And again, it's just easier if it's Kaplan because you give me the QID and I can bring it up backstage. An investor purchases a zero coupon bond at 640. 64% of par. The bond matures in 9 years. 5 years later, the investor sells the bond at 80, the result in. Well, the person who had the explication request, well, how can this be a loss if I bought it at 640 and I sold it for $800? Sometimes I think people are jumping too quick into practice questions and not laying enough base, because that means they didn't recognize the rules about buying original issue discount bonds, zero coupon bonds that you must accrete. You have to adjust your cost basis each year. You have to do straight line amortization. So there's our original cost base. And what I'd like to claim is that when I get $1,000 at maturity 9 years from today, that is a $360 long-term capital gain. Au contraire. And they say, no, you got to adjust your cost basis each year. Got to take this each year and adjust that cost base. So what we got to do here is straight line amortization upward called accretion. So we say, okay, well, we're making $360 over 9 years. That's $40 a year I have to accrete, right? So at the end of year one, my adjusted cost base would be 680, 720, 760 each year. It kind of sucks, by the way, because I'm going to be paying taxes on that imputed interest I'm not receiving. So, it's called VATM income. All right, so now we've had it for 5 years, and we should have been accreting $40 a year. So that means we should have adjusted our cost base at this point by $200. So our adjusted cost base now is 840. And then the question says we sell it for 880, 800, right? So that is how we now have a $40 long-term loss. So to answer the question, the reason it's a loss is because our adjusted cost base is 840, our sales proceeds were 800, and so this is a $40 long-term capital loss. Hope that was helpful. Remember, inch by inch, accretion is a cinch. Yard by yard, accretion is hard. And I will see you for the next explication request.